When it comes to protecting your home outdoors, two things matter above all else: dependable performance and clear footage. That's exactly where the Botslab W510 4K camera system positions itself. This is Botslab's latest outdoor security solution, combining ultra-high-resolution video, intelligent AI detection, and solar-powered convenience into a completely wire-free setup. On paper, it promises sharp 4K visuals, smart alerts that actually make sense, and full local storage with no monthly fees attached. But how well does it hold up once it's installed and running day after day? In this review, we're taking a closer look at the Botslab W510 to see whether it truly lives up to its 4K ambitions and smart security claims. Right out of the box, the Botslab W510 gives off a clean, modern impression. The camera has a smooth, rounded design that feels premium without drawing unnecessary attention, something that works well for most home exteriors. It's clearly built for outdoor use, with an IP66 weather resistance rating that protects it against rain, dust, and intense heat. Whether you're dealing with strong sun or sudden downpours, this camera is designed to stay reliable. At the center of the system is the Botslab home base, which acts as the control hub. It manages local storage, AI processing, and overall system connectivity. One of the most appealing features of the W510 system is its solar-powered design. Each camera supports a 5-watt solar panel, allowing you to install it without worrying about power outlets or running cables. Paired with a large 10,000 mAh internal battery, Botslab claims that as little as 30 minutes of direct sunlight per day can keep the camera running continuously. Realistically, your results will depend heavily on placement and sunlight exposure, but the potential for near-maintenance-free operation is impressive. The system supports up to 4 cameras connected to a single home base, making it easy to scale coverage across multiple areas like entrances, yards, or driveways. Overall, the hardware feels solid, thoughtfully designed, and flexible enough for different mounting positions. Installation is refreshingly simple for a system with this many features. Once the cameras are mounted and the solar panels are attached, setup is handled through the Botslab app using QR code pairing. The home base powers up, the cameras sync quickly, and within minutes you're ready to start monitoring. Because everything is wireless, you're not dealing with power cords or DVR wiring, which makes placement much easier. That said, solar performance depends heavily on exposure. Cameras installed in shaded areas may still perform well thanks to the large battery, but you might need to recharge them manually via USB-C from time to time. For best results, solar panels should face open sky with a few hours of daily sunlight. The mounting brackets are sturdy and adjustable, allowing both horizontal and vertical fine-tuning. Once locked into place, the camera stays secure, even in windy or rainy conditions. In warmer or humid climates, occasional cleaning of the lens and solar panel will help maintain consistent performance. Image quality is where the Botslab W510 really starts to separate itself from many competitors. It records in true 4K Ultra HD using an 8-megapixel sensor, delivering noticeably sharper detail compared to standard 1080p or 2K systems. In real-world use, this means clearer faces, readable license plates, and better visibility at longer distances. Night performance is another highlight. Instead of relying solely on black and white infrared, the W510 offers full-color night vision. A built-in spotlight activates when motion is detected, illuminating the scene and allowing the camera to capture detailed, color-accurate footage, even in low light. This added context can make a big difference when reviewing nighttime events. If you prefer a more discreet setup, traditional IR night vision is also available. The wide-angle lens provides strong coverage without excessive distortion, making it well-suited for outdoor areas like front yards or driveways. While there's no physical pan and tilt mechanism, the viewing angle is generous enough for most scenarios. Digital zoom, up to around 8 times, is available through the app. And thanks to the 4K resolution, zoomed-in footage remains usable and clear. During the day, the Botslab W510 delivers crisp, vibrant footage with good color accuracy and balanced exposure. Even under harsh sunlight, the camera handles highlights and shadows well, ensuring important details aren't lost. Motion appears smooth, and overall clarity is excellent for a battery-powered system. At night, the full-color mode truly stands out. The spotlight provides enough illumination to maintain detail without washing out the image, while IR mode offers a quieter alternative when needed. Low-light clarity is among the strongest you'll find in this category. Battery life is equally impressive. With its 10,000 mAh battery and solar assistance, each camera can operate for weeks at a time under moderate activity levels. Heavy traffic, frequent motion alerts, or extended cloudy weather will naturally reduce runtime. So, thoughtful placement of solar panels is especially important in regions with frequent rain or limited sunlight. Beyond hardware, the Botslab W510 brings a strong set of intelligent features to the table. Powered by Botslab IQ, the system offers AI-based detection for people, vehicles, and pets. This helps cut down on unnecessary alerts caused by shadows, insects, or moving branches, allowing notifications to focus on events that actually matter. One standout feature is cross-camera tracking. When multiple cameras are connected, the system can follow a moving subject across different camera views and stitch the clips together automatically. This creates a smooth, continuous timeline and adds a level of sophistication rarely seen in systems at this price. The Botslab app is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate. You can view live feeds, customize detection zones, manage notifications, and review recordings with minimal effort. Footage is stored locally on the home base, which includes 32 gigabytes of internal storage and supports expansion up to 16 terabytes using your own drive. Best of all, there's no mandatory subscription. You maintain full control of your data without recurring fees. Connectivity is handled over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which offers better range than 5 GHz but slightly lower speeds. A strong Wi-Fi signal near each camera is important for smooth 4K streaming. If your outdoor coverage is weak, you may encounter occasional buffering, which is common for most wireless systems. So, does the Botslab W510 4K camera system earn its place as a serious outdoor security solution? If you want sharp 4K footage, intelligent AI detection, solar-powered freedom, and complete ownership of your recordings without monthly subscriptions, it's a compelling option. Like any wireless outdoor system, performance depends heavily on proper placement, especially for solar exposure and Wi-Fi strength. But once dialed in, the Botslab W510 delivers excellent image quality, smart features that genuinely add value, and reliable protection without ongoing costs. It's a well-rounded system that brings both peace of mind and long-term value to your home security setup.